Daily markup for EURUSD for Thursday, the 30th of November 2023. This is the daily chart. As far as the swing structure is concerned, we are bearish. However, we are now well into the pullback phase, which makes the daily bullish. We have now entered a supply zone, which I think is a very high probability supply zone because it flipped a demand zone. It also swept liquidity and it has a lot of inducement in front of it. So I'm now aware that we can get possibly a strong reaction, or we could even continue further and take out this weak swing low, or the price continues to go further. We can never say, but the probabilities are stacked for a reaction to happen from here, so we can look at playing shorts. Moving on to the H4. The H4 is currently bullish. As you can see here, we've had a break of structure and we are now in the pullback. How do we know we're in the pullback? Well, we've had a change of character over here, which is the first indication that the pullback is well on its way. Now, where is this pullback likely to go up to? Well, we do have this zone, and I think it's a pretty strong zone because it flipped whatever demand was supply was here. It caused a break of structure. So I think this is a strong zone. It also has some inducement in front of it, but we'll wait and see how things develop. As far as the placement of this demand zone is concerned, it's not ideal. It's in the premium. We would like it to be in the discount to look for longs. But I'm also very well aware that we are now in a strong daily supply zone, and we've also tapped into the embedded 4-hour supply zone, which is inside the daily supply zone. So there could be a strong reaction from here. The last few hours have been very wicky, if that's even a word, but yeah, a lot of wicks here, and which kind of indicates to me unsurety in the market. Yesterday was of course news all day, and so is today. So I'm not very sure, how things are going to play out. But yes, at the moment, H4 is bullish. So I'm looking at, this pullback phase, which might, pull into this, or we kind of take this out because we also have these juicy, pools of liquidity, perhaps behind this or behind this. So that's, liquidity that could be targeted. And then we go further. So let me also have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, pretty much the same. This is where we are. Moving on to the M15. The M15 is bearish. We've had a break of structure here, and this is the swing low. Perhaps this might become the swing high. We don't know, but I'm expecting this swing low to go in continuation with the order flow. We have lower lows and lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a slightly higher high, but it's kind of, there's no candle body close above this. So the order flow is definitely bearish, and my expectation is that we take this out and continue into this zone. This to me is a high probability zone. Why? Because it's a flip zone. It flipped whatever supply was here. Secondly, there's a lot of liquidity that has been swept by this candle here, and this also led to the break of structure with a lot of momentum. As we can see, we don't have a ton of inducement in front of it, so maybe if you want to consider this as inducement, then yes, perhaps. But yeah, we'll wait and watch how things develop as the sessions unfold. Currently we are in Asia, and again, my expectation is that I doubt very much whether we'll sweep the Asian highs and then come down low, but my expectation is that okay, we are going to perhaps target this. That's my expectation. The market doesn't have to stick to my expectations, and yeah, we'll wait and see how things develop. We're still about an hour and 21 minutes away from London Open, and once that happens, we'll have more clarity and play accordingly. Although I don't think I will be trading today because we have news roughly the whole day, 7:45, then at 10 a.m., and then I think New York is even more, yeah. So highly unlikely that I'm going to be trading today. May the markets always be with you.